Hello, at our upcoming masterclass on high performance through building resilience, personality awareness, and psychological safety, we will be referring to Lumina Learning's Lumina Spark, and in particular, this really cool tool called Lumina Splash. It's free of charge. All you need to do is go to the app and answer about 16 questions, and you will receive your free personality profile. What's amazing about this app is with your code, you can compare it with your coworkers and friends. So I'll just show you very quickly how you do that. And when I compare it with somebody, I will be able to see the overlay of our splashes and see how we differ. And for each of the personality aspects, see how we can be more effective when we collaborate, how we can communicate more effectively. So go and get it. This will be a really useful tool in combination with attending the masterclass. We'll see you there.